Ini adalah random box. So let's open. Is this a random box? I don't know. Dia ada banyak pilihan. Saya rasa ada 4. Biru, putih, kuning, pink. And then because this is a random box, so I'm excited to unboxing. Sebab saya tidak tahu apa yang saya akan dapat. Okay, this is it. This is the box. I'm really hoping to get this one, yes, of course, because this is my favorite color, pink. But I don't mind if I get this blue or this red. Just please not this one or this one, because this is not my favorite colors. So let's hope I get the red, blue, or pink. Okay. I want to see. I want to open this. So excited. Okay. I'm so disappointed. I really hope to get this one or the pink, red or pink. This pink or this cinnamon roll, Hello Kitty or My Melody. But never mind. Never mind. It's okay. So let's try this. Off this one first. Then the keycap is like this. Can I change color? Can change color if you push the button together. How to get the only pink purple? No. This is the original color for the keycap. Not really so sedap like my keyboard. This is so macam keropok, right? This one is a bit kick. This one is no soft a bit. Maybe